So tonight dinner is vegetarian wrap. So we are going to make a vegetarian wrap tonight. To make the vegetarian wrap, we have the vegetables, tomato, onion, lettuce, grated carrot, and the cucumber. And we also have the burger sauce. And then we have the wrap. We have cut the wrap into half the wrap to fold it. And also we have the cheese. We have already put little bit of cheese and onion. So let's start doing the wrap now. So what we are doing is we are layering the vegetables on the so then we put the lettuce and the cheese and plenty of cheese there, and the onion we are putting a burger sauce. So the burger sauce is the vegetarian sauce. So this is the vegetarian dinner, and then the reason we cut it is the folding. You see what we are doing is we are folding it like that. Then we are also folding it inside, so you put on the grill. So once you put it on the grill, you can see that that is the triangular wrap that we have made it. So we are just removed from the grill. You can see how this one is inside looking very beautiful, very nice, and so cheese is melted, and definitely it will be a very tasty. Thank you very much for watching this fantastic wrap dinner. I appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel.